2017, specifically that the voting system developed by the Commission is penetratable, not secure, and falls foul of the requirements of Article 86 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Mr. Chair, that is the statement of breach. Thank you.
We want to address you on some preliminary issues.
Na leo tugethie na mbere ni ati mubunge wa Kathiani no ria nowe muhioria wa Musharisha waria nini bunge-ini ya bururi Robert Mbui niokireire magavana a county iria ciumbite gicigo-ini kia Ikamba-ini akiuga ni maranyururia Kalonzo Musyoka. Mbui ateteire Kalonzo ati ona thengia wa gukorwo nja wa thirikari gwa kahinda kia miaka 10 no ateithireirie gicigo giki na njira ya kuguciriria tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere. Magavana Charity Ngilu wa Kitui, Alfred Mutua wa Machakos na Kivutha Kibwana wa Makueni nio morotetwo ni Mbui akihinyiriria ati ithenya ria Kalonzo utongori-ini wa ruriri rwa Ikamba ndungienyenyeka.